Here's a weird thing about cloves. They've been sitting in your spice rack for probably 2 years. You bought them for one recipe, maybe a holiday thing, maybe a stew. You used 3 of them, put the bag back, and completely forgot they existed. But researchers have been studying cloves for decades, not for cooking, for what's actually inside them. And when you pair cloves with lemon in warm water, first thing in the morning, something pretty interesting happens. Not magic, not a life overhaul, just a small, quiet thing your body seems to appreciate. Today we're going to walk through what's actually in these 2 ingredients, what science says they can do, and why something this simple has been part of morning routines across so many different cultures for so long. Let's get into it. So what's actually in a clove? Cloves contain a compound called eugenol. That's the stuff responsible for their sharp, almost medicinal smell, that deep, warm scent you get when you open the jar. And eugenol has been studied quite seriously. Research published on PubMed shows that eugenol is a potent antioxidant. It can scavenge free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and support the body's normal inflammatory response. Studies also show it may inhibit certain enzymes involved in inflammation, specifically enzymes in the lipoxygenase pathway, which plays a role in how the body generates inflammatory signals. That's not casual. That's actual mechanism. And cloves are also one of the most antioxidant-dense foods measured on the ORAC scale, which ranks how well a food neutralizes free radicals. Whole cloves consistently rank near the top, higher than blueberries, higher than dark chocolate, which is kind of funny because nobody talks about cloves the way they talk about blueberries. But there they are, quietly sitting in your spice rack, outperforming your morning smoothie ingredients. That's a spice doing a second job. It just never told you about it. Now, add lemon. Lemon brings vitamin C, and not a tiny amount. Half a lemon squeezed into water covers about 20% of your daily vitamin C needs in 1 glass. Vitamin C isn't just for fighting colds. It supports collagen production, helps the body absorb iron from plant foods, and plays a real role in immune function. It's a workhorse nutrient. Lemons also contain flavonoids, plant compounds like hesperidin and eriocitrin that have been linked to antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity in research. A 2019 review found that citrus flavonoids may support heart health and improve metabolic markers like glucose tolerance, insulin sensitivity, and fat metabolism. And then there's the citric acid, which is what gives lemon that sharp, bright flavor, and also what may help your digestion move more smoothly in the morning. More on that in a second. So you've got 2 ingredients, both studied, both real, both things you can buy at any grocery store for almost nothing. And together in warm water, they're easy on the stomach, quick to make, and honestly kind of pleasant first thing in the morning. Here's something a lot of people notice before anything else happens. They just drink more water. That sounds small, but think about it. Most people wake up mildly dehydrated after 7 or 8 hours of not drinking anything, and the first thing they do is make coffee. Not water, coffee. Which is fine, coffee has its place, but caffeine on an empty, dehydrated stomach is a pretty aggressive way to start the day. Some people feel anxious, jittery, or unsettled before they've even had breakfast, and they blame stress, or bad sleep, or their general personality. But sometimes it's just you haven't had water yet. Lemon makes plain water easier to drink early. It adds something without adding much of anything else. No sugar, no caffeine, just flavor and a few good compounds. And hydration matters more than we give it credit for. It affects how your joints feel, how clear your thinking is, how your digestion moves. Starting the day with warm liquid is a surprisingly underrated habit, one that almost every traditional medicine system figured out long before modern nutrition did. Speaking of digestion, citric acid in lemon juice may help stimulate gastric acid production. That's the digestive fluid your stomach uses to break down food. So there's actually a real reason people have been drinking warm lemon water in the morning for generations. science. It's not just a trend that started on Instagram. Ayurvedic medicine has recommended warm lemon water in the morning for centuries. Traditional Chinese medicine used citrus in similar ways. And now science is slowly catching up and going, yeah, there might be something to this. Cloves add to this picture too. They've traditionally been used to relieve gas and bloating, and some research points to their role in supporting digestive enzyme activity. Eugenol has also been noted for mild carminative effects, meaning it can help ease that uncomfortable, full, heavy feeling that sometimes lingers after meals or first thing in the morning when your gut is just waking up and figuring out what day it is. So the combination isn't random, it just looks simple, which honestly is the best kind of thing. Now, let's be honest about what this drink won't do. It won't reverse years of stress in a week. It won't detox your liver. Your liver detoxes itself, and it's very good at its job. It doesn't need a drink to motivate it, and it's not going to replace sleep or vegetables or movement. A lot of wellness content online takes a genuinely good habit and wraps it in so much dramatic language that it starts to sound like a pharmaceutical, destroys inflammation, resets your gut. Ancient secret doctors don't want you to know. None of that is what's happening here. What this drink might do, when you drink it consistently, is gently support what your body is already trying to do. Reduce some oxidative stress. Help digestion move a little smoother. Give your body actual hydration before the caffeine arrives. And over time, small consistent things add up, not in a dramatic before and after way. More like, one day you realize your mornings feel less heavy. You're not sure exactly when that shifted, but something did. Gentle wins. Every single day. That's how habits actually work. And honestly, there's something else going on that doesn't show up in any study. When you make this drink, you slow down for 4 minutes. You heat water, you wait, you squeeze lemon over a cup in your quiet kitchen before the day gets loud. Before the phone, before the news, before the emails. That pause matters. Not scientifically, just humanly. There's a reason morning rituals exist across basically every culture on Earth. It's not about the ingredients, it's about the act of doing something intentional before the world starts asking things of you. A signal to yourself that your body matters before your calendar does. This drink gives you that for free, with 2 things you already own. That's worth something. Here's how to make it properly. Warm water, not boiling. Boiling can break down some of the delicate compounds in lemon. Aim for the temperature of a comfortable tea, warm enough to feel good going down. Take 2 whole cloves and lightly crush them. Just press them with the back of a spoon. You'll hear a small crack. That's the cell walls opening up, releasing the eugenol and the aromatic oils into the water. Drop them in and let them steep for 7 to 10 minutes. Then squeeze in half a fresh lemon. Fresh, not bottled. Bottled lemon juice is processed, often preserved, and the flavonoids and vitamin C degrade over time. Fresh is just better here. It takes 10 seconds. Drink it slowly before breakfast. That's it. No superfoods, no expensive powders, no blender. Just 2 cloves and half a lemon. A couple of things to keep in mind before you start. If you have acid reflux, stomach ulcers, or sensitive teeth, lemon in the morning might aggravate things. If teeth are the issue, try drinking it through a straw so the acid bypasses your enamel. And if you're on blood thinners or certain other medications, check with your doctor first. Eugenol has mild antiplatelet effects, meaning it can slightly affect how blood clots. 2 cloves in warm water is a very small amount, but it's still worth knowing, especially if you're on medication where that interaction matters. Start with 2 cloves, not 10. More is not always more, so if you want to try it tomorrow morning, warm water, 2 crushed cloves, half a fresh lemon. Just notice how you feel. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and stick around. We talk about simple habits, nutrition, and the weird little things that quietly make life feel better over time. And in the comments, tell me this: what's the one small morning habit that actually changed your day? I'm curious.